All right, so this is today. What day? What's today's date? March 12th? March 13th? I'm gonna send it, try to see what I can do. We got the world record Ford Flex right there. Trying to be the world record Ford Explorer. Put Sacramento on the map.
You got enough methanol in there?
Yeah, I brought some more. I got my tank. All right, well, I'm gonna try to make some runs today. Try to get my name on the board. Been talking about it long enough. I'm a little bit not so confident in the car. It's got some issues right now, but we'll see what she does. I'm in tech right now, waiting to get seen and inspected. But hopefully it does well today. All right, keep you posted. Here we go. You can see which one is getting hot and slipping. All right, got my first time of the day. Kind of a double-edged sword. Good news, got the world record for the Ford Explorer 5th gen. Bad news, it's not really what we were shooting for. It's all right, glass half full for now. It's just my first run. I did a shitty time off the line, 196. I wasn't boosting enough, but I ended up with a 1241 at 112 miles per hour. So there's my time slip. I don't know if you can see it. Hopefully it isn't reversed or mirrored, but yeah. In line for another run. See if I can't get that 60 foot down. If I can get, I need to get down on the 1.7s. I need to leave off the line with some boost, so we can try it again.